Sa iba pang balita, natatanging magazine, inilunsad naman ng OPAP o Office of the Presidential Advisor on the Peace Process. Ang ulat, alamin natin mula kay Beth Katchin.
Idilunsad kamakailan ng ikalawang publikasyon ng magazine na Kababaihan at Kapayapaan sa pangunguna ni Secretary Ging Deles ng OPAP. Ang naturang magazine ay may layuning mamulat ang lahat sa mahalagang papel ng mga kababaihan tungo sa pagkamit ng kapayapaan. Tampok sa magazine ang apat na natatanging kababaihan na sina Secretary Dinky Suliman ng DSWD, Secretary Leila de Lima ng DOJ, PCW Chair Remy Ricken at OPAP Secretary Ging Deles. Mababasa ang kanilang kwento at iba pang kwento tungkol sa iba pang kababaihang nagbigay ng kontribusyon para makamit ang kapayapaan, lalo na sa Mindanao. Ang naturang magazine ay nilalathala 2 beses kada taon, tuwing Marso at Setyembre. Nabanggit din sa nasabing okasyon ng OPAP-PCW Joint Memorandum Circular No. 2014-01 o ang Integration of Women, Peace and Security Programs, Activities and Projects na isasama sa taunang Gender and Development Plans and Budget.
Lahat ng government offices should have got budget and planning, di ba? So ngayon, ang gusto nagkasundo kami na dapat yung para ang NAP ay ma-implement din ng kagaya ng any other government program, isama na dun sa monitor namin God budget and planning. Kaya papasok namin. Kaya lang, hindi na namin maihabol dun sa registered memo of agreement between us and NEDA and DBM, etc. Kaya additional ito, in addition to, parang gano'n. Kaya this will assure that yung NAP will be implemented.
That women should be put at the center of the work we do for peace and ending war, both in terms of protection and protecting them and ensuring their welfare during conflict, as well as empowering them to take on bigger roles in terms of peacemaking and peace building. So this was a call of women. The UN Security Council issued a resolution, and part of the issuance said that every country should do a national action plan on women, peace and security.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Elizabeth Katchin.